If you are a real estate developer, channel partner, or a owner, get in touch with us and we will help promote your property. And welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, we promote properties relating to apartments, villas, and plots. Make sure to stay subscribed so you never miss an update. If you haven't found your perfect home yet, get in touch and we will let you know properties that match your needs within 24 hours. Hi everyone, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I have this beautiful 3 BHK apartment for sale in Bengaluru. The flat is spread across 1650 square feet built up area, facing north direction and overlooking garden. You get 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms in the overall house. The apartment is located on the 7th floor out of 18. It's a resale home which is available directly from the owner without any brokerage. The society has got all the basic amenities for day-to-day activities. It's a freehold property with 1 covered car parking, and you also have 24/7 water supply and power backup. Major schools and hospitals, public transportations, malls, railway stations, major commercial centers and IT tech parks are hardly distance from the site. It's a semi-furnished flat with spacious room size. This beautiful home is located at a prime location in Ramamurthy, Nagar. The asking price by the owner is 1 crore 12 lakhs and is non-negotiable. So guys, if you think this home is matching your property needs, get in touch with us so that we could offer this beautiful home at an unbelievable deal. That's it from this video. Hope you all love this info. Meet you all in the next one.